Hello, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics, and in this video we are going to learn how to log into your ICICI Bank account. First of all, open up any browser. I am using Google Chrome here. Now at the search bar type in ICICIBank.com and then click on enter. After that, you will be redirected to official homepage of ICICI Bank. Now at the top navigation bar you will see many options. Hover to the flag. Now depending on where do you live, click on the country name. Now a new tab will open. After that, at the top right corner you will find login button. Click on it. Now you will get an option to enter your user ID and password. Type in your user ID or corporate ID and password. Then click on proceed button to log into your ICICI Bank account. Also, if you have forgotten your password, click on this link and follow the instruction to generate a new password. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.